Yes, yesterday's last problem. The particle starts from origin to reach 9,6. First bit was over. What's the answer for second bit? Abdul Rahim, mute.
Sir, 9 factorial by 3 factorial cube.
See, via 3,3 means first he has to go from the origin to here. In how many ways he can reach from here to here? 6 factorial. Total units how many? 6. 6 factorial, 3 horizontal, 3 vertical. So, via 3,3 means 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Work is not completed. Work is not completed. Now, till now we are here. From here to here. In how many ways he can reach? In 6 horizontal, 3 vertical. Total 9 units. From here to here, he has to travel how many units? 9. In which 6 horizontal units, 3 vertical. 9 factorial by
6 factorial
6 factorial into
3 factorial.
3 factorial. Okay. First, he has to reach from origin to this point. These many ways, total 6 units, 3 horizontal, 3 vertical. As we discussed, corresponding to any arrangement of these 6 objects, in which 3 are identical of one kind, 3 are identical of another kind. There is a path. Till now we are here. After that, from here to here, total 9 units, 6 horizontal, 3 vertical. Okay. Third bit. Total number of paths to reach 9,6, dividing 3,3 and 6,4. Now, total minus via this, total minus this, plus via this. Anything else? Total is 15 factorial by 9 factorial to 6 factorial minus via 3,3. Nine factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial plus via 6,4. 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial into 5 factorial by 5 factorial by 3, 2. Plus from here to here, 4 factorial by 5 factorial by 5. Okay. Once you write, I will explain. Have you written it? These are total number of paths without any condition, without any restriction from origin. Okay, sorry. These are total number of paths without any restrictions from origin to reach 9,6, satisfying the given condition, minus these are total number of paths to reach 9,6 via 3,3. These are total number of paths to reach 9,6 via 6,4. Now, this kind of paths, this is via 3,3 as well as 6,4. These are number of paths from here to here, then here to here, then here to here. Okay. Now, this kind of paths has been counted here via 3,3. It means there are some paths via 3,3 and via 6,4 also. Okay. So this kind of paths has been counted here as well as here. So this kind of path has been subtracted twice. This kind of path via 3,3 and 6,4 has been subtracted twice, but we are supposed to subtract only once. So that's why we have to add this kind of path 1, because it has been subtracted here and here twice. That's why we have added 1. Is it clear or shall I explain again?
Yes, sir.
Junaid? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Shall I rub it? So let us do some miscellaneous problems today. If there are twice n numbered tickets. Let there are twice n numbered tickets. In how many ways? In how many ways we can select three tickets which are in AP.
So we are not able to see the upper part of the boards.
Hmm?
So we are not able to see the upper part of the boards. Upper part.
Your mic is not clear. Can
Sir,
you
we
repeat,
are
please?
unable
Sir,
to
we are
see
not.
upper part of the board.
You are?
Unable to see upper part of the board. You wrote something, sir, upwards.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, sir, that is not visible.
No, is it? It's
Yes,
visible
sir,
now?
now it's visible. Yes, sir, now it's visible.
Let there are twice n numbered tickets. In how many ways we can select three tickets which are in AP? So I'll do it by two methods. First, fundamental method, then give you some sort method. Suppose D is 1, common difference is 1. What are the selections? This is one selection. Second selection. Third selection. This is 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 4. How many selections are there?
2n minus 2.
2n minus 2. Okay. So with common difference 1, number of ways we can select 3 tickets is 2n minus 2. With common difference 2, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 2n minus 4, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 1, 2n. Total number of ways, 2n minus 2. Here, total number of ways. Now, how many ways we can select? 3 tickets with common difference 2, which are in AP. This is one selection, second selection, like that. 2n minus 4 selection. With common difference 3, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, like that. 2n minus 6 plus 3, 2n minus 3, 2n. Total 2n minus 6 ways. With common difference 3, set. D is n minus 1. N 2n minus 1. Other is 2 n plus 1, 2n. Only 2 ways with common difference n minus 1. And common difference n is possible if first selection is 1, second will be n plus 1. With common difference n plus 1. Is it possible? 1. Next selection is, sorry, common difference n. Next is n plus 1. And 2n plus 1, which is not there. So at the most, common difference can be
n minus
n minus 1. So here 2 ways. Now you can check for n minus 2. For d n minus 2, it will be 4, obviously, without calculation. Because it's coming in series. 12 minus 2, 12 minus 4, 12 minus 6. With common difference n minus 1, 2. Next, n minus 2. Common difference n minus 2. First selection is 1, n minus 1. 2n minus 1. Common difference n minus 2. 2n minus 3. This minus this is n minus 2. Correct? 2 n 2n minus 2. 3 n plus 1. 2n minus 1. Next 4 n plus 2. 2n. So with common difference n minus 2. Number of ways we can select 3 tickets is 4. Sum of this will be total number of selections. 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to 2n minus 2. So total number of selections equals 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2n minus 2. Add up 2 common. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n minus 1. Sum of n minus 1 natural numbers. 2 into n minus 1 into n by 2. So n minus 1 into n. Okay. These are total number of ways we can select 3 tickets which are in AP. So this fundamental method by taking common difference 1, 2, 3 up to at the most n minus 1. Adding all number of selections. Now let us do by other way. Shall I rub it? Shall I rub it? Junaid,
Yes, sir, you can drop.
see there are 2n number tickets in which n are odd, n are even. Okay. See, from this set, number of ways of selecting 2 tickets. Just divide them in 2 groups. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Let us select any 2 from this set. Number of ways.
Sir, upper
selecting.
part is not visible. No visible, sir.
Number of ways of selecting 2 tickets from this group. I'm selecting only 2, A and C. I'm using that A plus C is twice B. Once I select A and C, the B is automatically fixed. Once I select A and C, the number B, because we have to select 3 tickets, A, B, C, I'm selecting only A and C because B becomes fixed. B will be either from this group or this group. For example, suppose I select from here 1 and 9. So what is B? 5 from the same group. If I select 3 and 9. Okay. A is 3, C is 9. What is B?
6.
6.
Even.
6 is from this group. Fixed. That becomes fixed. That B can be from this group or this group, immaterial. So I am selecting only 2 numbers from this group, odd. Okay. Because once I select A and C, the B becomes fixed. Now, next, from this group, let us select 2. Number of ways of selecting 2 tickets from this group. From this group equals NC2. Means NC. These 2 is only A and C. This is also A and C. Okay. Because once I select A and C, B becomes fixed. Let us take 2 from here. For example, 2 and 10. What will be B? 6 from the same group. From
Yes,
the same
Even
group. Let it be from this group or this group. Immaterial. Now, if you select two and 12, A is 2, C is 12. The B
7.
becomes 7 from this group.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So once I select A and C, the B becomes fixed, and that will be from either this group or that group. Immaterial. So total number of ways we can select 2 tickets, A and C, will be this plus this. Total number of ways means A plus C equals 2. B is fixed. Total number of ways we can select 3 tickets which are in AP. Is NC2 plus NC2. This plus this. 2 into NC2. Once you check it, it is same or different. N into n minus 1 by 2. Same, n into n minus 1. Previously also we got the same thing. N into n minus 1. N minus 1 into n by 2. Correct. Same answer. Any doubt anywhere? एक सिंपल सा देखो. Clear? Any doubt? Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir. Done.
See, why not 2 and C2? You select any A and C from that group, 2 and C2. Answer. What is the wrong with this logic? These two are A and C. These two, suppose 1 and 4. If A is 1, C is 4. What is B?
B.
5 by 2.
2.1, 2.5.
Not possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A student is allowed to select at least one book and at most an book from a collection of 2n plus 1 books. If the total number of ways in which you can select is 63. If total number of ways in which we can select books is 63. Find N. These all are different books.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
Books are different, so NCR is applicable. Number of ways he can select one book out of 2n plus 1 is 2n plus 1 C 1 ways. Number of ways he can select two books at the most n books equals 63. Adding 1. (64), adding 1. So this is half of the terms of the binomial coefficients. To the power 2n plus 1 equals to the power 7. Lies n is 3. See, if you take these binomial coefficients 2n plus 1 C0 plus 2n plus 1 C1 plus 2n plus 1 Cn 2n plus 1 Cn plus 1 2n plus 1 C 2n plus 1. This equals to the power 2n plus 1. The total number of binomial coefficients are 2n plus 2. This first n plus 1 term, first n plus 1 binomial coefficients, last n plus 1 binomial coefficients. First term equal to last term, second term equal to second last term, like that. This first half, sum of first half will be equal to sum of
Last half.
last half. So that's why this is divided by 2.
2. Shall I repeat? रब करूं?
Yes. In how many ways we can choose three numbers from 1 to 10. Both are included. So that minimum is 3 or maximum is 7. In the selection, minimum should be 3 or maximum should be one of these
one of the two conditions should be satisfied. For example, 3, 8, 9. This selection is permissible because minimum is 3. And 1, 6, 7. This selection is also permissible because maximum is 7. Okay. Now 3, 7, 9. This is permissible. Minimum is 3. And this is also permissible. 3, 5, 7 is also permissible. Whichever you want, you can take. 3 is minimum or 7 is maximum. You understood what is the meaning of the question?
Yes.
All these types of selections are permissible. Two minutes, think of it.
$69.
Sorry, you're mute, sir.
Let us select 3. There is only one way. From remaining 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remaining 7 numbers we have to select
7C3,
2.
7C2, yes, sir.
Plus, suppose maximum is 7. Select it into 62.
Yes, sir.
Now, just think of this kind of selections. 3, 4, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 6, 7. These 3 selections is one selection of 3 numbers, second, third. It has been counted here
Yes, sir.
and it
Also
has been
been
counted.
Yes, sir.
These 3 selections, of course, these are permissible, but it has been counted here as well as here.
Here.
So this type of selections has been counted twice. So
Yes,
this
sir.
minus
One time subtract.
minus how much?
3.
3. Understood? How much it is? 21 plus 15 minus 3. 12.
38, sir.
Huh? 33, no?
So 33, sir. Yes, sir.
33. You, I repeat, let us select 3. Minimum is 3. One way. From remaining 7 numbers, 4, 5, 6 to 10. We have to select 2. Plus. Maximum is 7. Select 7. One way. From 1 to 6. Out of 6, we have to select 2. 62. Now, this type of selections 3, 4, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 6, 3, 6, 7 has been counted here as well as here. Therefore, we have counted this twice. We have to subtract once. So this minus 3. Okay. Total is 33. In how many ways we can select something or nothing out of n identical objects? N plus. In how many ways we can select something or nothing out of n identical objects?
N plus 1.
N plus 1. Write down one question. In a college library, L copies of each of the different books. Are there. Number of ways in which a student can make. Number of ways in which a student can make a selection of one or more copies, more books is. See, what is the meaning of the question? Suppose one math book is there. The same identical L copies of these books are there. For mathematics books, L identical copies of one book are there. For second one, L identical copies of the second kind of books are available. L identical copies of third kind of books are available. Like that, there are k different kinds of books, and each kind has L identical copies.
Yes, sir.
So, in how many ways we can select something out of these books?
Yes.
Okay. So the next class will continue. Shall I disconnect?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Copying question. Yes, sir. Done.
Thank you.
Love is sir.
Love.